Hi everyone, this is Giles Fox and this is my presentation on the Human Resource Frame for Module 7. The Human Resource Frame, in my own words, I would think of it as a sort of a philosophy for an organization whose constituents really are vital to the organization. They are, I guess, the life-giving blood or whatever to the organization. Just like those on staff and faculty at school systems. The major goal of in the human resource frame is each constituent has individual needs, and the organization has needs, and the alignment of those needs is the main focus for the human resource frame. It's getting out of the way of treating an organization like authoritarian um, power power pyramid, and thinking as the organization as a family where each individual has unique needs and abilities, and there are multiple different types of relationships that can make up this sort of family. Big focus in the human resource frame are on the skills, attitudes, the communication, and the teamwork within the members of the organization. Finally, the leader in the human resource frame needs to serve the family. This means, much like decision making is done in a family, decision making must be transparent and open for all members. So here's my pyramid, I suppose, of leadership. So at the top is the principal. That'd be me. I'll actually start from the bottom and kind of describe why I put them there. So the alumni is there, and community you see there at the bottom, and that isn't necessarily meaning that they're not important. Why I put them there is because I believe if everything above them is done very well, if the students are exceptional, if the teachers are exceptional, if the parents are pleased, if everything about the school is exceptional, the community and the alumni will follow, will be supportive regardless. So not saying that they aren't important, but that's how I feel about them. Then we go to the maintenance personnel and custodians. These are people that students see daily. They aren't around them during their learning, but they do see them every day. They interact with them. So I believe that they're above the community alumni in that respect, and that their interactions with the students. Then we have the cooks and the office staff. I have the cooks there because they really do have they can determine, they have a good determination of students' well-being. They can improve students' well-being. I really think nutrition is a huge part of life, and it should be a major focus in schools. Um, then the office staff does all the bookkeeping, record work. Students see them every day, and students are in the office constantly. So I think they play a major role in showing the students how much they mean to the organization. Then come the parents. I have the parents below paraprofessionals and teachers. I'm not sure if that they may not be common, but I believe that those who are helping the students learn while at the school should be of more priority to me as principal. That's why I have teachers above the students. I notice, I mean, a lot of people put students above the teachers, which I can totally see that viewpoint as well. I put teachers above because I think our primary focus is students learning and students mastery. I mean, student success, essentially, and achievement. And I think teachers are above that because I think teachers have students' best interest in mind, and students don't always have their best interest in mind. That's why students often cheat. I mean, there's stuff like that where they show that they don't have their own best interest in mind. They have what they think their best interest is at the moment in mind, and often that is not the same as what their best interest would be for greater success in the future. So that's why I have teachers above students, and that's a big difference that I've noticed. But thank you all, and I had a great time in this class, and I've learned a lot. Thank you.